Hello everyone. Hey, this is Keon Satyatma here, and I want to invite you to a very special event. We are going to have a higher self sound healing, and it's going to be epic. Many of you have attended my higher self meditation. Higher self meditation is a guided, visualized journey through the astral plane in a very safe and protected manner to meet your own soul. I'm a channel, as a lot of you know. I open the door, and some of our guides and some high guide of light comes to guide us, energize us, share love with us, light with us, and then guides us to meet our soul. When we've been normally doing higher self meditation, we have a very strict time limit. But this time, because it's an all-day workshop, there's no time limit, and then we're going to combine it with the sound healing of Didi. If you've ever had a sound healing with Didi, you know she is divine. She's a genuine goddess. Her vibration is so spiritual and it's so amazing, and she is the voice of an angel. She plays the gong and other instruments. In my opinion, she's the best sound healer here in UBUD, and we're going to combine this energetic journey, which is usually accompanied with really nice music anyway, with Didi's live music and live sound healing. And it's going to be a 2.5-hour journey. Prior to that, we'll do some energy building techniques, and we'll actually have a philosophical discussion about what the soul is, what the higher self is, what the higher realms are, who our guides are, and where they live, how they reach us. So we're going to learn the science of the soul and the higher realms. We're going to build energy to journey there, and then we're going to journey there accompanied with celestial healing music. It's going to be awesome, so I hope that you guys can join us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much.